Meet the Nexgrill Charcoal Kettle with cart and side table, the cart-style grill that brings new smoky flavor infusions to your backyard barbecue. Just add your favorite charcoal to the 22-inch porcelain-coated firebox and we'll be ready to grill in no time. On the lid, a built-in temperature gauge enables precise temperature reading, helping you achieve the perfect cook every time. Inside, a durable solid stainless steel cooking grid spans 358 square inches of grilling space, plenty of room to satisfy all appetites. A convenient condiment rack keeps your favorite sauces and seasonings at the ready. While foldable, oversized side and bottom shelves provide even more space for food prep and storage. When grill time is over, swivel and locking casters make freeing up patio space easier than ever. And a heavy-duty porcelain and steel construction will keep this Nexgrill fired up for seasons to come. Ready to put a smoky twist on your cookout standard fare? We've got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill Charcoal Kettle Grill with cart and side table.